Hello friend, welcome. On the screen is our Java chess implemented using swing. And in this video, let's try to add a button under this game board for like resetting our game, right? For example, if we click the button, we can reset this to its original state. Okay, so we need something called the layout manager to manage the layout of our screen, the panels, or other widgets. Let's explain the layout manager we'll use. Let's draw a diagram to explain that. So we don't need that, delete that. So on the top level, we'll use something called the border layout. The border layout divides the screen to 5 panes, okay? So it's like that. So for example, this is our frame, okay? And inside that, the border layout has something called, this is the north. That's the old name. The new name is page start. And here is the south of our border layout. And the new name for the south is page ended or end, start, end. And in the middle there are 3 panes. So here is called line start and the line ended, line end, I guess. And the old name is this is west and east, and here is the middle, center is called center. Okay, so border layout divides the whole window, right, into 5 panes. Now, so we'll in our app we don't have this. We only need like this center part. Okay, so undo, and we need this center for our game board, and we need another J panel for the button areas. So currently we'll put one button reset here, and then later we might add more buttons right here. So we already have this JPanel object, our chess view, and we'll add another JPanel under it using the keywords page end. Okay, and inside this JPanel we'll use a different layout manager called the FlowLayout manager. FlowLayout. Okay, so we'll put our button like, let's say using this color. So for example, we'll center it like button 1. Maybe later we'll add button 2. Okay, so if we use the alignment centered, then both of them will be together will be centered inside this JPanel. Okay, now let's implement our plan here like that. So we'll go to our controller here. Here is where we created the frame and the panel. So this one will be our center panel. Okay, so let's rename this guy to refactor, rename to center panel. Okay, center panel, and the frame will set layout. Set the layout by passing in a layout manager, like as we plan, right? border layout, this guy. Okay, now we create a panel like that, and we'll add this center panel with border layout keyword center, right? And we'll create another one, JPanel, for the at the bottom. It's called page end, and we'll put our buttons inside that JPanel. We can call it center and south panel equals new JPanel. We can pass in, right, layout manager here, new FlowLayout. Like that. And we can specify the alignment here. Align. Okay, so we'll use FlowLayout dot center. Okay, now with that we can add a component with south panel, and we put it in south. Okay, so it's BorderLayout dot page end. So this one is still empty, right? Let's add a button inside. So let's create a button. JButton reset button equals new JButton with a title like reset. Then we'll add this, right, button into our panel. Reset button like that. I think that's it. Okay, so let's run it. Command Q. Yes, it works. So we have the center panel, which is our chest view on the top, and at the bottom we have a south panel containing a reset button. Inside, within the bottom JPanel, we are using FlowLayout. So for example, if we add another button like that, dot add JButton, let's create one like that. So this one, delete me. Okay, is a fake button. we don't need it now. For now, let's stop it and just get a feeling of the flow layout. Okay. Yeah, like that, right? So we can, it's clickable. Okay, and if we, yeah, resize the window, everything is still good. Cool. We just implemented our border layout and together with the flow layout for this sub panel, right? The bottom part. Cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Oh, by the way, we can commit this one. So before we click here, go to this Git perspective to do the commission, right? Commit. And actually we don't need to go there. We can also, because this is the only file we modified in this round, so we can right click here, go to the team and commit. You see? So, oh, you see? Basically it jumped to the same area we did before. Now we can say added 2 buttons using border layout and flow layout. Okay, so commit and push. Nice. Add it. Cool. See you then.